Alright everyone, so I just wanted to make sure that I document how to do this step-by-step SIM card activation so everyone knows how to do it, because not everybody is as technology sound as others. So I just wanted to make sure everyone knows how to do this. Now this is a physical SIM card activation. The eSIM activation or digital SIM card activation is a little bit different. Okay, but let me show y'all what y'all have to do. So we have our Samsung Galaxy A54 5G right here. Our SIM tray and SD card tray is right here at the top. And you can see I have my SIM, my free up mobile AT&T SIM right here. And I got my SIM removal tool right here. So let's pop this in. And let's bring the tray out. And let's verify here. So, SIM card 1, right there. You can see that right there. I don't know how easy that is to see SIM card 1. Or if you flip it around, SD card slot right here. Or you can put another SIM in this slot right here. Okay? If you're going to put a SIM in that slot, you got to put it in this orientation. If not, you got to put an SD card in there. Alright? Just wanted to show y'all that. And let's go ahead and drop the SIM in there now. And it gives you a picture of the orientation it needs to go in. So we just want to do it exactly in that orientation. So it goes like this. Drop your SIM in there just like that, in the exact orientation as the picture that was on the tray. And then if I had an SD card, it would go in here on the other side. Or if I have another SIM, it would go in here on the other side. But I'm not going to use an SD card right now. And then all you have to do is line up the tray with the hole. So the hole goes that way. So we're going to spin the tray around. And it's going to go this way. Alright? Line up the two. And you can see it slots in. It only goes in one orientation. And then your SIM is in. That's it. Our SIM is in. Now, with Samsung devices, sometimes it restarts the device automatically and automatically programs the APNs. Sometimes you have to do the APN programming yourself. So let's just verify what's going to happen. So it's searching for service. Let's see if it unlocks. Okay. And it did indeed unlock. I may have to gray that out because it does show my phone number. So I may have to gray that out. But you can see it says SIM card detected. We need to restart your device to automatically program your APNs and activate your SIM. Push the restart and switch button to restart and program. So we're just going to do that. Okay. And I'll gray out any sensitive information y'all saw on the screen. And now it's going to restart the device and set up the SIM here. Okay. No service detected. Okay. So no service detected. Alright. So it's looking like... Yep. It's looking like Wi-Fi calling has been added. You can see Wi-Fi calling right there. Okay. But it up. SIM card data has been activated. You can see that right there. But it did not pull down the APNs. And it's still asking me to sign into a network to finish the setup. So let's go ahead and do that. So to get to your APN settings on your Galaxy device, you just want to go to the settings. You could do this by finding the settings application. Oops, my bad. Don't want to get into that. Let me close that. So you can do this by finding the settings application in your app drawer or on your home screens. Or you can also do this by swiping down twice to bring up your quick toggles. And in the upper right hand corner on your Galaxy device, you're going to see a gear icon. You tap on that, it will take you directly into the settings. Now, once you're in the settings, you want to go to connections. Or you can search for connections. Then you want to just go down to where it says mobile networks. You see right there where it says mobile networks? We're going to tap on that. And then you're going to just make sure that mobile data is turned on, and we're going to turn on international data if you have a SIM card that supports it. Mine does not, so we're not going to turn that on. And it just popped up with the phone call support. So let me show y'all. So it's not running data, but you can see my phone call bars are active. So now I can take phone calls. Okay, but my data is still not configured. So let's go back in here. So inside of mobile networks, you want to tap on access point names. And then you just want to go and find the access point information or the APN information for your carrier. And you want to click on add. All right. Then in here, you're going to put all the APN information for your carrier in. Right. And then once you've done that, you're going to click on save. Right. Once that's done, it'll bring you back to here. And you just want to verify that the APN you just configured does indeed pop up. And then you just want to tap on it to select it. And then you wait a couple seconds, up to 2 minutes. If your data does not activate within 2 minutes, you want to restart the device. And let me just check something here. Press and hold the power. It brings up Bixby. So I got to turn that off too. I want that to actually be the power button. So let me do that now before I forget. So let's just search it real quick. Power side key. Turn this on. And right now, double tap launches the camera. Long press brings up Bixby. We don't want that. Okay. We want long press brings up the power menu. Right? So now if I long press, got my power menu for restarts. That's how you would do that. So you can search for side key, or you can start typing in power button and side key will come up. If you don't do this, when you long press the power button, it will bring up Bixby. All right. If you don't do this, the way you would turn off the device is from the software. So you come in here, swipe down on your quick toggles to get your quick toggles, swipe down twice. And then you can see up here in the corner, next to your settings gear, you have a power menu. That's how you would get to your software restart and power off if you don't reprogram your power button. But in order to program the power button, you just want to go into settings and you want to search for side key, or you can search for power button and click on side key. This is also where you can program the double press and the long press. And you can see you want to change long press to power menu. All right. So now give me a second, y'all. Let me go ahead and program my APNs. And I'm going to see if the data starts working. All right, everyone. So we're back. That literally took like 5 seconds. I programmed my APN and I tapped on it, and literally within 5 seconds, it popped up LTE Plus, right? So you can see it's running right there, and the LTE data should be working. All right. So now let's just do a quick verification. Okay, so let's go into YouTube. Now let's go to the web browser real quick. All right, let me set this up. Add account. We're not going to add an account right now. Make it easier. Get the notifications. Yep. Allow to send notifications. Yep. And you can see the Chrome browser is working. So if I refresh, it refreshes. We got our stories. Okay. But let's actually go to YouTube. Okay, so got YouTube pulled up here. And you can see YouTube comes right up. Alright. And let's actually play a video. Let me turn the volume down. We don't want any copyright, so let me turn the volume down. Let's play a video so y'all can see that the data is actually working. Let's see. Let's check out this GoPro video. And you can see the ad is playing. Okay. So the ad is playing, no problem. And let's just wait for the ad to finish playing. Okay, and then let's skip this in a second here. Skip. And you can see the video is playing. Let's make it big. Boom. Video's playing. Alright, I got it. Alright, video playing over LTE. Okay. Alright, so let's get out of this. And now, what I want to do for everyone is I just want to verify that the phone calls work. So let's stop the video. Okay, so you can see the LTE data is working. Everything should be set up. So now what I'm going to do, iPhone 11 right here, I'm just going to call myself. Now, I don't want y'all to see my tester number, so I'm just put this face down. But let me turn the volume back up so y'all can hear the ringer. So y'all will be able to hear when it goes off. Aha! We're in Florida, but it set itself to New York. Damn, I miss home so badly. Man, shout out to Queens, New York, man. As soon as I get enough money to travel, I'll be going home to visit. I'm coming to visit home soon, y'all. Shout out to New York, man. That's what's up. But, flip this face down. And let me call myself. So we're just going to... Where is my free up mobile number? I'll just type in my name. There we go. Free up mobile, AT&T. And we're going to hit call. And y'all can hear it ringing. Okay. So phone calls are indeed working. Okay. And then we're going to stop the phone call. And I'm going to send a message real quickly. So let's send a picture message. Let's just make sure the MMS is working. I took some pictures of the stuff. So let's just send some of those. Okay. And we're going to send those. And let's see if it goes through. Okay. It should have went through. And let's just send something else. There it is. It came through. And I got the fresh haircut today. Let's send myself a picture of that. Let's make sure that works. And there, it should have sent. Okay. And y'all can see it went through. So let's just verify that it actually went through. Alright, let me do this off camera real quickly. Again, I don't want y'all to see any sensitive numbers or stuff like that. Alright. Can I sign in later? Yeah, I'm going to sign in later. Alright. Okay. Oh, it shows my phone number here, huh? Okay, but I can swipe through it. Okay. So, I got to tap and make it big. But this is inside of the Messenger application, the stock Messenger application. And you can see the pictures I sent myself came through. Fresh haircut on deck. Okay. And then let me just show y'all. Let me get out of this. So see, one missed phone call. So the phone call did indeed go through. So everything is now functioning on the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. Alright? Phone calls working, text messages working, data is working. The device is set up to technically use. Now all I have to do is sign into my accounts and actually start using the device. So, I hope you guys and gals enjoyed this unboxing video, this first impressions video, this setup video, and data working verification video. If you did, y'all know what to do. Please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. As always, if you would like to see more content like this, also, please feel free to hit that subscribe button down below. And make sure you click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals will get notified when I publish new videos. This whole video here today was recorded using the the rear-facing camera on the Samsung Galaxy S20 5G. Alright? It was also recorded in 720p with no external microphone hooked up. And I am using my professional studio lights here today. So please let me know what you think of the overall video quality as well as what you think of the overall audio quality down below. As always, all your feedback is greatly appreciated. Just remember to keep it respectful, please. That being said, if this video piqued your interest and you would like to know where you can pick up everything featured in the video, all the affiliated buy links will be available down below in the video description. And as the name implies, when you use those links, I do get a small percentage of kickback that I do put back into the channel at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So it's a win-win for everyone in my opinion. Alright? Now you guys and gals stay tuned because as I finish content on this device, I will publish content on this device. So we got a bunch of cases coming. We got some screen protectors coming. We have this case in. We have the other screen protector in. We have the screen protector that came with this case in. So we got a bunch of coverage on the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G getting ready to come out for the channel, along with all of our regular coverage that we do when we review smartphones. So y'all be on the lookout for that, the camera review, the software walkthrough, the gaming video, and the full review, as well as all the coverage on the accessories. Alright? All that good stuff is coming to the channel soon in the near future. Alright? So y'all make sure y'all hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and make sure y'all follow me across all the social medias. This way you get notified when new videos go live. Alright? I'll link up my social media links down below in the video description as well. I hope everyone is having a great day. I hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there. And I will catch everyone in the next one. We are out of here. Have a good one, everybody. Peace. Alright, let's get to testing this bad boy out. Let's go.